In this video, I'm going to basically take you through on how we generate $37,000 on one of our clients' drop there. As you can see, $37,000. So there, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do this for your brand too. Obviously, I'm going to keep some sauce though, because those are for the people that are working with my agency. Let's get right into it. 37K day blueprint, as you can see. So the first and the most important part, you cannot do this if you don't have a winning product. Trust me, it's not going to be possible, because number one, what's a clothing brand? You sell clothes that people are going to buy, so you got to have a winning design that people are going to buy. People need the type of design that people will literally see and be like, damn, that's the type of design you need to get. So you must be wondering, how can I get a winning product? So number one, go to four of your favorite brands. Go to four of your favorite brands you fuck with, brands you buy yourself, brands that you want your brand to be like. Go to four of them and look at their products and look at what is special in their products. Go to brands like Zara and look at their products and like look at their best sellers and ask yourself, why is this product selling? And go to other streetwear brands too and ask yourself, why is their product selling? And pick something from their products, and then find a designer, outsource a designer that is going to help you get that type of product. Because trust me, you cannot do everything alone. You need to outsource. Outsourcing is the best way to run a business. Number one, you cannot run ads. You find someone who will run the ads for you. You don't know how to design, find a designer. But if you think you're damn confident about your designs, you can design yourself. But I really, really recommend hiring a designer that's going to help you bring your ideas to life, because that's what designers do. They bring people, they work with a lot of brands, so they know what works and what doesn't. So I really recommend you find a designer. And if you want a designer, you can hit me up on Instagram and I can put you on one of my designers. But you obviously got to be working with me first. So and then you find that product, your product is ready, it's time to start hyping up the drop. This is very, very important too, because you might have the best product, but if there's no traffic to buy that product, you're literally over it. You're over it. Nobody's gonna buy it. You're going to drop and nobody's gonna buy it. And you have the best product. Your product is literally nice, but nobody knows about the product. So you have to generate hype. And how can you generate hype? By posting organically 3 to 4 times a day, Instagram and on TikTok, 3 to 4 times a day. Do not miss. That's how much you need. That's how much content you need. Organic is very, very hard now, but trust me, if you post 3 to 4 times a day, it's going to work for you. So like, also, I'm not saying you should go and keep on repeating the same type of content. Go out and record content every single day, bro. Bro, there are a lot of clothing brands right now. How the fuck do you expect yourself to post like once a week and think you're going to make $30,000 in a single day? It's not possible, bro. You gotta build hype. You gotta build momentum for that drop, and you gotta get traffic to that drop. You gotta build an audience first. The audience is gonna buy. The audience is gonna buy your product at the end. So 2 to 4 videos a day consistently, and then while doing that 2 to 4 videos, you should be promoting scarcity and fear of missing out. Make people don't want to miss out. Make people think the products are scarce, and if they don't buy it as soon as possible, it's gonna go out of stock. Literally have that in mind. That's why a lot of people like Supreme now, for example. Supreme, people know Supreme for their scarcity. They're very hard to find. So, bro, literally try to like find a way you can promote FOMO in your videos. In your videos, you can write only 50 pieces will be made, and once they're gone, they're gone. They're never coming back. So people will try to get that stuff. Imagine you want a product, and then you heard that product. If it goes out of stock, nobody, you can't get it anymore. You're gonna obviously go and buy it like the first chance you get. So try to promote as much scarcity as you can, and as much FOMO too. So also, story sequences, like try to post some story sequences. So let's say I posted like 3 to 4 times a day, you should be posting on your story, interacting with your audience on your story. And also, that's where you get the people to convert to your SMS list. Like on story sequences, that's how you actually engage with your customers. Ask them questions. Yo, this, like, basically treat them like a family. And then that's how we are going to start collecting their data. That's how you're going to start collecting that data. And how do you collect the data? Through this, a high converting sign up form. Like this is a good example of sign up form. Get early access and exclusive discounts up to 25% off. Phone number, they put in their phone number. So what happens is people see your videos 3 to 4 times a day. You're fucking consistent with the content. People are going to wonder, people are going to go and to go to your website and they're gonna try to buy it. And then they're gonna see your website is closed. But they're gonna see this, get early access and exclusive discounts up to 25% off, and they're going to submit their number. They're going to submit your number. So you're going to use this after, like this is an example of a high converting sign up form. So like you make the people like sign up. You can do this through like on the post too. You can be writing they should sign up to your VIP list, or on your stories too. You can make the people sign up to your VIP list too from your stories. So they sign up, and then drop day comes. Those numbers that you collected throughout the drop, like throughout the 3 weeks of hyping out the drop, you're going to use them on drop day. On drop day, you're going to blast those numbers. All right, so on drop day, this is the day you use this. This is the day you will cook up an SMS message where you're going to basically blast all your subscribers. As you can see, set live now. Yo, boys, we just dropped some fire goods as usual. Use code FIRE for 10% off. Shop. We put the website. Thank you for being a VIP. So this, you're going to send this immediately after you drop. Immediately after you drop, you send this out. This SMS message converts like crazy. Like it converts like crazy. I've used this for like literally all the brands that I'm working with. So you send out that like, and this is going to be sent out to like all the people that are in your SMS list. I'm going to send it to all of them. If you want to, like, I have a video that's talking about like how to send out SMS on drop days, which I go like into a lot of detail, so much more detail. You can like see it and like go look at the other videos I done. So you blast them, and then if you don't sell out, if you sell out, you don't have to follow this step. But if you don't sell out, it's time to start running ads. As you can see, this is one of the ads that we've run. $34,000 to get back on $5,000 for this brand, and then this was a drop day to 1K to get back 8.7K and 8x ROAS, and then 11.2K to get back for $3,000. And these are all for small brands. These are literally all small brands too. This to show you that you don't need to be like a very, very big brand to run ads and actually convert. And I get a lot of questions, so people telling me they don't have a lot of budget to run ads. You don't need a crazy budget to run ads. You need only like $100 to $200 just to start with, and then you can reinvest the revenue that the ads generate back into the ads. So it's going to be like you start running the ads with like $200, and then you can reinvest the revenue that the ads generate back into the ads. Yeah, that's how to have a successful drop day. Number one, have a good product, a very, very good winning product with a unique selling point that people are going to actually like, have that product, and then advertise the drop like crazy. Make people know you're dropping, like create awareness for that drop. That's the most important parts too. The first and the second, these are the most important. Like make people know we are going to drop. A lot of people drop and they don't even, like, people don't even know they're going to drop, and drop day comes, they fucking get humbled. No product, this shit, no advertisements. Like, bro, who's gonna buy your stuff? Nobody knows about your brand. So advertise, product, advertise, and then blast on SMS, blast an SMS blast, like on drop day, immediately when you drop, and then run ads if you don't sell out. Run ads if you don't sell out. Ads will help you sell out. Ads is a second, it's not a second option, it's a first option too. If you are doing pre immediately after, so my mic died. Pre-orders immediately after you drop, immediately after the drop, bro. Start the ads immediately because it's a pre-order. You're trying to maximize, you're trying to maximize numbers as much as you can. So start that. And yeah, I think that's basically the video. I've already given out too much sauce. So if you want to start working with my agency, if you want me and my team to basically help you run the brand, SMS and email marketing, meta ads, literally the whole backend of the brand, just apply using the link below, and someone in my team will get back to you, and we can get straight to work after that.